Guys, welcome back to another sunny day in Scotland, and welcome back to another video on the new combo van. This week we're going to attempt to try and fit some Corsa D SXI seats into a Corsa C based combo van. So hopefully it works. First thing we're doing though is getting everything a real good clean. Charlie's cleaning out the seats now. I'm taking out the seats of the old van and cleaning up the floors. So we've got a new centre console to put in it as well. That's going to need a clean, and we've got all the silver SXI Corsa C dash bits. So we'll get them installed. First things first, clean these seats up, clean the van up. Let's get on with it.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Right guys, you've probably seen on the time lapse that we had to throw the original combo van seats back in. Did get the centre console in, it's looking better. We do need to trim up the Corsa D centre console to make that fit, so we'll get that done. The reason I threw the seats back in is we actually need the runners off of these seats to go onto the Corsa D seats to make them fit. So the Corsa D seats have got bolt-on runners, these ones have got rivet-on runners, so I need to cut these off, and I had to go and pick up my daughter for work, so we had to throw these seats back in. So it's another day. I'm going to get the Corsa D seats at the back of the van, and picked up some parcels for the post office as well. So we'll get these seats out. I'll get the runners unbolted off the bottom of them. And then we'll cut the runners off the van seats and get them in. Passenger side seats done. It's in, it's secure, it looks so much better. It was a wee bit more fabrication than I thought it was going to be, so it took a little bit longer. Sorry if you can hear the wind noise. We also need to use the original van seatbelt clip because the van ones don't fit. You'd have to go to the hassle of swapping the seat belts out of the Corsa, but I actually don't have them. They've been cut in the car I got the seats out of, so we have to settle for that. So I'm going to get the driver's side seat out now. It is a bit windy again, so I'll probably not say much through it. We'll just film the process, get it put in, and then we'll get to work on that centre console.
Dad's got the seat out and is putting the new seat rails on. I'm going to put the centre console back in. Now obviously we got the Corsa D one, but we've realised that that's going to take a load of modification to fit and it's not worth it, so we're going to get new gaiters for the old one. I've already lined it in, put the cigarette lighter in. All it needs to be done now is screw it back in. We'll get the new gaiters and then we can get the new seat in. So we've got both of the Corsa D seats in now. We cleaned them up. It's looking so much better now with the new dash and the new, well, the old centre console that we cleaned up and put back in. Still waiting on new gaiters coming. It's all cleaned up. Now what we're going to do is move on to the driver's side, get it cleaned up like the other side for the MOT. Yesterday we finished up refurbishing the wheels and painting this side to match the other side. This morning we're going to try and fix our exhaust. We picked up this Corsa diesel back box, slightly different, but we're going to see if we can get it to fit. That way it will save us a little bit of money.
Right, this has turned into a bit of a nightmare today. We took the exhaust off because it was all holed and the tailpipe was broken off. The new one that was given to us isn't even close to fitting. We couldn't get a combo van one anywhere today, and it's supposed to be going for an MOT tomorrow. So at the moment it's got a bit of a ghetto straight pipe on it, but we will be getting another one for it. Charlie's just had the front bumper off because the horn wasn't working because the fog light was pressed up against it, Charlie? Yeah. So if you're putting an SXI front bumper on a combo van, remember and relocate the horn or it won't work. So that's back on, horn's back working again. All the wheels are done, all the painting's done, and I think that's pretty much all the repairs done. There might end up being something silly we've not picked up on, because again we've not really had a proper chance to look over this van, we just started using it. So that'll be it for the day. If you follow us on social media, I'll pop a wee update on tomorrow when we're at the MOT station and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to go make some dinner. Charlie's going to finish putting the front bumper back on and we'll see you next week.